Is Xprobit.com a hidden gem in the cryptocurrency trading world, or is it just another scam waiting to take advantage of unsuspecting users? The platform markets itself as fast and reliable, offering access to over 100 decentralized exchanges and some of the most popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance. On paper, it seems like an excellent opportunity for traders looking to dive into the crypto market. However, there are several concerning factors that you need to know before considering Xprobit.com as a legitimate platform. First, the design of the website is almost identical to that of known scam sites, which is always a huge red flag when it comes to online platforms. Additionally, while Xprobit.com claims to have top-tier security certifications to protect users' funds, there is no proof to back up these claims, leaving you to wonder if they are just trying to sound credible without any substance. The platform also raises eyebrows due to its domain being registered very recently, on April 6, 2025, just a week ago. A brand new domain like this could mean it's too early to determine whether this platform can be trusted long-term. Furthermore, Xprobit.com boasts partnerships with big players in the crypto world, but once again, no verifiable evidence is available to confirm these claims, making them seem more like marketing fluff than solid facts. Perhaps the most alarming issue is the complete lack of user reviews or any form of feedback online, which leaves a huge question mark around its legitimacy and reputation. With all these concerns in mind, it's essential to exercise caution when considering whether to trade on Xprobit.com. While it may offer tempting features, the absence of proof and the presence of red flags suggest you should think twice before jumping in. Proceed with caution and thoroughly research any platform before committing your hard-earned money.